welcome to our channel, and today we're going to be unboxing a humidifier, and it's made by RHôNE, and it's a ultrasonic cool mist. So let's take a look at this thing. Humidifiers are essential part of keeping healthy, to keep the air moist, especially during the winter months when the humidity levels are low, which contributes to a lot of, dry nasal passages and dry throat when you're sleeping. And it's key that you put in a filtered water as well. I always recommend distilled water because that's probably about the best purified water you're going to find. This is the humidifier here. And this is the holding tank. Now this is an ultra quiet humidifier, which is important for some people that have a hard time sleeping with noise. This is how you fill the unit up with water. You turn it over. This is the timer here, as you can see, indicated as timer. Now, I've never played with this thing at all. I haven't read the instructions, which I'm really bad about reading instructions. So, let's see what this timer does. Oh, okay, so it looks like that when you click the timer, it goes right to 1 hour. You just continue pushing on the timer. 6 hours. It's just, as you can see, it just keeps going up, right? So you gotta keep pushing it, and you can go to up to 24 hours, right? And then it starts back to 1 again. So for us, if we were to have a timer, we would probably do it for like 8 hours, and then that way this will continuously run for 8 hours, which is nice. See? You just don't need to do anything, you just set the timer, and it automatically sets once you release it at whatever hour that you choose. Now when we first started, we were at 46% humidity.
42.
That was corrected, 42, and now we're up to 57.
Wow. So what is the...
But the thing is, that's just in this area right here, that's not the whole room.
Oh.
Because you can see how, it's aerosoling the room. So it's going to read off of this ascending down towards the humidifier. It'll read what the humidity is within the air. Now we have this on high. Now you can turn it down. As you can see, it goes down.
I like it high.
But, yeah, we like it high. See, there's high. It's got 3 settings. So you got the low, you got the medium, and then you got the high. We like the high. Of course, when you turn it on high, it's going to go through more water, at a quicker pace. And we have our night light on, too, the blue light, which is my favorite color. The key about having a humidifier is hydrating yourself as well, because while you're sleeping, we dehydrate, we lose moisture, and of course we're fasting while we're sleeping because we're not taking any fluids or foods. So when we have breakfast, break, fast.
I can feel the difference.
Yeah, it's nice.
It's nice feeling.
So we'll continue using this humidifier in our room. We have one in our lower level, our living room, kitchen, and dining room area. Actually, about a gallon of water this will hold. which is quite a bit of water. Now I'm not sure how quickly it'll go, through that gallon overnight. I'm going to suspect that it'll probably within 16 to 24 hours it's going to go through this water. But remember, the key is having filtered, purified water. I always recommend distilled water because that's probably about the cleanest water we're going to be able to produce ourselves. Because you're going to be breathing this in. It's going to go into your lungs, into your system. So you want the purest water that you can possibly have within the holding tank. Alright everyone, thank you for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you like our channel, what we do, please subscribe.